Feel the pulse of nature. Beneath the vast skies, amidst the rolling waves and emerald peaks, the Azores call to your soul. Take a deep breath and let the beauty of these islands awaken the adventurer within you. Here, time slows down and every moment becomes a gift. The whispers of the wind and the songs of the ocean weave a story older than time itself. It's not just a place, it's a feeling, it's a connection to the earth and to yourself. The lush forests and volcanic landscapes remind us of the power and serenity of nature. Each step you take here is a step closer to understanding your own path. Quote, "Let the waterfalls wash away your doubts, and let the sunsets inspire your dreams." This is your invitation to reconnect. Quote, "To find clarity in the clouds drifting over green hills, to feel strength in the solid rock of ancient craters." The Azores are more than a destination. They are a journey of the heart. Inhale deeply and feel alive. The islands whisper secrets to those who listen. Are you ready to embrace their wisdom? Let the music play now. Let the imagery speak for itself. Sometimes, words aren't needed to understand the language of the earth. Veritive. Just watch, feel, and be inspired.